All of the specials that you'll hear about and see in the background here are through spiritualanswersandsolutions.com. If you are interested in learning how to manifest or doing regular manifesting exercises, go to psychicdiaryentries.com. It's published on the 11th and the 22nd of each and every month. Sign up for our newsletter, livinglightly.newsletter.com. It comes out once every 27 days and on special events or occasions. You'll get manifesting exercises, recipes, different types of crafts, and of course, the occasional free complimentary download and affirmation ebooks. If you're interested in what's new and what has been released recently, go to Changes Made Easy blog, and you'll have a list of everything that's on sale, everything that's been released, all the new content. For this month, you'll see in the background all the free downloads, the ones that we've put up on YouTube, all of our holiday specials. If you're interested in trying hypnosis, do it on our YouTube channel. We have downloads for nearly every single holiday so that you can try it and see how you feel and if you like it. We have a plethora of streaming subscriptions to fit anyone and everyone, whatever your goals are. If you're unsure how the streaming subscriptions work, or if you want to try it, there's a free 24-hour trial, and there's one that's only $10 a month. It comes with 6 to 8 downloads with a different theme for each and every month of the year. All the sales and the specials that you see in the background here are specific to the holidays. They'll come out each and every month, so be sure to check back and see what we've released. It's different than the monthly specials that we have going. So enjoy today. Enjoy your month. Go to our Pinterest board and practice doing a lot of our manifesting exercises. We have it for the week, for the month, and for each and every day. Happy manifesting.